Welcome to the second episode of the FORCESPRO demo series on path tracking control. In this video, we will show how to run the code for generating the FORCESPRO SQP General solver for path tracking applications. We are now in the path tracking folder of the high-level interface examples in MATLAB, provided with your FORCESPRO client. Here, we have the path tracking script that will be used as the main code file for generating the solver. In order to generate the solver, we must first define the discretization time step and the prediction horizon length in seconds. After creating a new folder for all solver-related files, we can call the generate path tracking solver function for defining the model and code option structs needed for generating the FORCESPRO solver. This is the function discussed in the previous video, comprising indices struct I, problem dimensions, least square objective, equality and inequality constraints, state indices for initial conditions, and solver options. It also includes the functions for continuous system dynamics and least square objectives. The remainder of the script focuses on trivial simulation and calling of the solver, with several auxiliary functions needed for real-time plotting of the car's progress along the racetrack. Note that there are two racetracks provided with your FORCESPRO client, and in this example we will focus on the more complex and therefore more realistic one. We can now run the model and plot the results in real time. As you can see in the command window, the solver is now being generated. Once the solver has been successfully generated and downloaded to our host PC, the simulation starts. The optimal control decisions are computed at every waypoint and plotted in real time, together with the past and predicted trajectory, as discussed in the previous video. In the command window, we can see that each SQP run solves one QP, as we instructed via code options. Furthermore, we can see that average runtime is around 0.2 milliseconds. This completes the code example of this demo for FORCESPRO SQP General Solver. In the next video, we will look into the code script for running the FORCESPRO SQP Fast Solver on the same application.